Hello guys, in this video I'll show you a very useful Google Chrome extension. So if you do want to remove something before printing a web page, then this extension comes into the picture. So simply search for this extension print edit WE. So you can edit web pages before printing the web page. If you do want to hide some elements or delete some elements before printing the web page, this extension comes into the picture. I've already installed it. As you see that it's almost have 100,000 installs. So it will appear, the icon will appear something like this. So if you visit any website, let's suppose freemediatools.com, and I click on this extension. So now before printing it, if you do want to remove this element, you select the element and then you click delete. So let me delete this element. If I don't want this, I can delete this. If I don't want this, I can also delete this. So it's very simple. So just select the element that you don't want and then you preview it. So now as you see, the print window will open, and now it is loading the web page, and now the thing that those elements will not be there, which elements are removed. So as you see, those elements are completely removed, and now you can click the print button to actually print the web page. So it's very simple extension. The idea is very simple. Let me again show you. We visit a website, we click on this Google Chrome extension, we click on any element that you want to remove. Let me hide this. As you see, it is hidden. Now again you can do this. You can select this element. You can delete this, delete, delete. So this is very useful guys if you do want to hide or delete any element before printing a web page, and just click on preview. So now as you see that picture, text will be removed before printing the web page. So this is really useful guys in those cases if you don't want any kind of element to appear. So in those cases this extension comes into the picture, print edit WE. Definitely install this extension.